Good morning. So this is the last topic in the unit 3, that is the diffraction. Okay, we have seen many kind of phenomena in the diffraction, like Fresnel diffraction, Fraunhofer diffraction, and the production of Fraunhofer and Fresnel diffraction due to various methods. Okay, we have seen all these kind of things in the diffraction unit, and the main important topic in this unit is what is the difference between the diffraction pattern, okay, diffraction pattern, and also the second unit of interference pattern. So we have seen in the unit 3 interference pattern, unit 2 interference pattern, and unit 3 the diffraction. So the major difference between the diffraction and the interference is the major difference between the diffraction and the interference pattern is, so diffraction is the phenomena of interaction among the secondary wavelets. Okay, it is an phenomena of interacting the secondary wavelets propagating from different points of the same wavefront. Okay, so now the interference is the phenomena of interaction among the two distinct wavefronts propagating from two coherent sources. Okay, so the major point, the key point of the difference between the diffraction and the interference is the diffraction will be produced by the secondary wavelets of the same wavefront, but to form the interference we have to use the two coherent sources, means we have to use two different wavefronts. Okay, so the width of the diffraction grating always varies. Okay, but the interference width will be fringes will be may or may not be constant. Okay, but in diffraction the grating will be, the width will be changes for the grating, but the width of the interference fringes, what are the fringes we see like Newton rings formed due to the interference pattern, so may be or may not be constant. Okay, so the one more key point of the diffraction and interference difference is the intensity of each bright fringe varies from one another, and the intensity of all the bright fringes will be going to be equal under the interference. Okay, so the intensity, when we compare both the intensities of the diffraction and interference, the interference contains it contains the intensity of all the bright fringes, okay, will be equal, and the intensity what we see in the diffraction grating formed due to the grating, it will be varies from one another. Okay, so the minimum intensity will be partially dark in the diffraction, and the minimum intensity will be completely dark in the interference. Okay, so kindly remember all these properties under diffraction and interference. And finally we have the intensity distribution will be good contrast between maxima and minima, and the intensity distribution under the interference will be poor contrast between the maxima and minima. So all this shows the difference between the diffraction pattern and the interference pattern. Okay, so this is complete view of the unit 3 syllabus, that is the diffraction pattern. So prepare well for the exams. Okay.